Good evening, all of you. Myself, Vivek Saraswat, and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Aviator Classes. In today's class, we will discuss about the chapter number system of class 9th. Without wasting our time, we will start our class. Today, we will discuss about the topic that is number system. Before starting the topic, we have to know that what are numbers. As we know that numbers are divided in two parts. First one is real numbers. And second one is imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. Real numbers are like, for example, that is 1, 2, 0.8, 1 upon 9, 4. It is known as real numbers. And in imaginary numbers, if it is like this, under root minus ka 3, under root minus 2, under root minus 1, it is known as the imaginary numbers. In number system, if we write a number like this, that the number is like 4 plus ka 7i, it means this number will be in complex number. We will write this, that this one is a real number and this is the imaginary number. Normally, imaginary numbers are represented with eta. In this situation, eta square is equal to minus 1, or you can say it like this, eta is equal to under root minus ka 1. Okay. Then real numbers are further subdivided into two parts. First one is integers. Second one is decimal. Real number is further divided in two parts. First one is integers and second one is decimal numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite and minus 1, minus 2 up to infinite, it is known as integers. Okay. Integers are further subdivided into two parts. First one is positive integers. First one is positive integers and second one is negative integers. When we talk about positive integers, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, and in case of negative integers, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to infinite. In this both situation, in case of positive integers and negative integers, they are not mentioning 0. It means 0 is neither positive integer nor a negative integer, but 0 is a integer. You can note down this, that 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. But 0 is a integer. 0 is a integer, but it is neither positive integer nor negative integer. Okay. Now, we will discuss about the classification of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers are divided in two parts. First one is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Second one is non-terminating decimal. Decimal are divided in two parts. First one is terminating decimal and second one is non-terminating decimal. Okay. Now, when we talk about terminating decimal, terminating decimal. If we talk about terminating decimal having remainder 0. It means if a number is completely divided into decimal having remainder 0, if a number is completely dividing, it means it will have the remainder 0. It is known as terminating decimal. For example, if 1 is divided by 8, that is, if 1 is divided by 8, the answer will be 0.125. It means 1 is divided by 8 to 0. The value will be 0.125. It means the number is completely divided that having the remainder 0. It means it is known as terminating decimal. Okay. 0.5, 0.7, 0.238, 0.412, all are terminating decimal. Terminate means end. It means if the number is completely divided, or you can say it like this, that having a remainder, a number that having a remainder 0 is known as terminating decimal. Second one is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal, it means if a number is not completely divided or having a remainder, it is known as non-terminating decimal. For example, if there is 0.33333 up to infinite times, it is non-terminating decimal. It means the number is not completely divided, or you can say the remainder of the numbers is never be a 0. But non-terminating decimals are further divided in two parts. First one is non-terminating repeating decimal. You can notice that this number is 0.33333. It is the number 3 is repeating. That's why it is known as non-terminating repeating decimal. If it is non-repeating, it is non-repeating but not terminating. That is, for example, 0.41325462131428. In this situation and so on, in this situation a number is not repeating, that's why, and neither the number is completely divided, that's why it is known as non-repeating non-terminating numbers. Okay, this is an introductory class of number system. You can comment how you feel about the class, and the next class will be a complete class. Your suggestions are welcome. See you soon. Thank you.